Tomo kia te ware o te rongoā.
The purpose of it is for tauira to come and learn te ao rongoā me te ao Māori. So they will be learning about rongoā rākau or Māori medicine, and they'll be learning how to put together different types of rongoā so that they can actually start healing their own whānau.
Been away so long, coming back home I realised that a lot of the mātauranga is within the Wairua, and that so many things that I've been learning in the rongoā course here, that's just been something I kind of knew, and I'm just connecting with it much more consciously, and it's a real gift to know that I've been carrying it with me all that time, and now I'm really connecting to it. Now I'm on my home soil and on the whenua, so it's a real tonga to be home and to be connecting like that.
E kaupapa e aro nui ana ki te oranga o te wānau, apu, me te iwi, maroto i te rongoā.
The benefits is getting back to what our tupuna knew, learning te ao Māori through medicine and through healing, and healing the whānau through the natural way, using our rākau, using the wairua to help them heal and heal the trauma that they've had. Many bring through trauma that has been intergenerationalised. Rongoā a wairua, a henengaro, a tinana, a kōrero, a karakia, e rā mea katoa.
E uu anoa ngā painga o te rongoā, koe ia tonu tētei I aronga a te kāui nei.
Rongoā is unique in the way that we approach rongoā. Everyone in their own rights and in their own wānau, iwi, hapu, have rongoā. It's how we look at rongoā, and it's unique to Māori. We have our own rākau and our own way of doing it. And everything that we do has te taha wairua throughout it, and each person's wairua has their own vibration and their own way of doing things, as is every whānau hapu and iwi.
Oh, he kaupapa nunui ki ahau, kia whakatau I ahau I te mōhio heha nā momo rākau I te ao nei, te whenua nei, kia hanga I te io nā rongoā, hei hapa I te whānau, kia oro ai te tinana, te wairua, I roto I ahau, I roto I te whānau, I roto I te hapu hoki.
Ko te ako I ngā mai a ngā tūpuna, ei waka ora I te wānau, apu, me te iwi, tētei wainga, nā Prime.
Going through today's kaupapa it was quite daunting at the beginning, preparing for presentations. Then we just tried to channel the fun aspect of it, and then touching on the emotional and spiritual parts of it too, and that gets you through. And then with the tautoko, the support from your fellow tauira gets you through it. So yeah, it's been fun.
Ko te aro nui ki ngā mai mā te ngā kau ira, he aro ki ngā tairongo o te tāngata me te wairua.
So the achievement is that for every tauira that learns how to do rongoā Māori, they go back to their wānau and start teaching their wānau how to reconnect with rongoā and te ao Māori, and as that wānau grows, they maintain and continue the traditions of our tupuna that we've managed to maintain, that we nearly lost through the Tohunga Suppression Act.
Ko te oranga o te rongoā, e ore ana, I tēnei kāui, te rea mai nei. Aroha Broughton Pui, te reo te uru.